It's cheese fondue. So good morning guys. So today we're going to go for a fun run. We're going to Montrose Park. It's part of activities in our church. So we'll see you there. Get on the bus, I'll see you there. Bye, see ya. Wow, it's quite hot today, but we've got this. Okay, let's go. We're out of the house and we're going to the park now. The fun run, nature walk, and I'll see you there. Okay guys, we are now here at Montrose Park. I'm just enjoying this walk. We'll be there in a few minutes to see all of our brothers and sisters. Okay guys, we're now at Montrose Park and I can see from here the brethren, the brothers and sisters. I'm gonna say hi to them in just a few minutes, and let me just show you what they're doing at the moment. And here it is. There they are. I think they're playing volleyball. Let's see. Are they enjoying themselves? It's a fun activity today. I'm gonna go say hi to them. Here we are, just enjoying the sun, having the fun run, some sports activity, all the brothers and sisters in our church, just enjoying the day. There. Yeah, so that's one of our sisters singing. Wonderful voice. Yeah. And it's home time now. Yes. So it's home time now, guys. So I had a lot of fun in our fun run activity. So got to talk to some of my friends. And it was just so wonderful to spend time with them. So I just got back home, guys, from that wonderful activity. And now got to prepare for tomorrow, because tomorrow is work. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and hope hope to see you again on my next one. And see you again soon. And God bless. Bye.